Good timing. Very good. Yeah, Porter. You can give him a break for a sec if you want. He can sniff around and then go back to it when he comes back. Good timing with Winnie. Good, excellent. Good speed, Shirley. He's a fast little dude. So I'm. Oh, and he's off. We lost Padu. Max, you're being a goof. You say ouch if it hurts.
Ow.
Good boy, that's it.
Leave it. Stop and then leave it.
Only once. Say it only once, Shirley.
Leave it.
Shirley, what? Only once. That's gonna be the hardest. He's catching on.
Leave it.
Nice. Good job. I wouldn't give him a treat at all for shaking a paw so that he's not confused. So just if he shakes a paw, I understand his confusion, but we'll change the scenario. And maybe put the treat on the ground instead of holding it in your hand then, so that there's less, and then just cover it, like have your, kind of make a claw with your hand, and you're going to sort of cover it up. Good, that's it. So it'll change the context for him. Good.
Leave it.
Nice, Winnie. Look at she freezes. Awesome. That's fine for now. We'll change it because as we build on this, we'll be building up to food on the floor and they have to walk past it. So that's what we're working towards. So for now, we just want little bits of that behavior. So freezing is perfect, and then eventually she might even walk away now. She might be like, this is stupid, and walk away. Give her a treat when that happens. Or she'll start to look up at you. Give her a treat when that happens. Yeah. Yeah. Cheeky Max. All right. Let's take a break on that one.